Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to install Galileo FX on MT5 in 2026. First, download the Galileo FX software from the official Galileo FX website and install it on your computer. After the installation is complete, open the Galileo FX application and log into your account. Next, launch MetaTrader 5 on your computer. Now, in Galileo FX, select MT5 as your trading platform and choose the broker account you want to connect. After that, allow the software to connect to MetaTrader 5 and wait a few moments for the setup process to finish. Once connected, you can customize your trading settings, including risk level, trading pairs, and strategy options. Now make sure automated trading is enabled in MT5 so Galileo FX can place trades automatically. After everything is set up, Galileo FX will begin working with your MT5 account based on your selected settings. That's it. You've successfully installed Galileo FX on MT5 in 2026. Subscribe for more honest finance app tutorials and guides. Thanks for watching.